Hi, I'm Cindy from Hervey Bay. At the moment I'm a travel agent and I am wanting to get out of the 9 to 5 and build something for myself and my family. What I wanted to get out of today was some information, building of confidence really, because I haven't done e-commerce before. Did have a bricks and mortar business that we've recently got out of, got sick of paying the exorbitant rents, and can see that online e-commerce is the way of the future. Learned a lot. It was a lot to take in, but I found the information extremely useful. It was presented in a way that is easily understandable, easily understood by the layman, and it was just really easy to take in. You could ask questions whenever you like. It was just a really good experience. Yes, there was lots of examples of different products and some that I had never even thought of, so that was also an additionally good thing. Plan for the future is to build up a brand on Amazon and other e-commerce platforms, and either sell that brand and then start again, but just to gain a good insight into the world of e-commerce. Certainly do, absolutely.